VoodooDE.
Welcome back to virtual reality. My name is Thomas and you're watching VoodooDE VR. So many people ask me how you can change the payment method on your Quest 2. And that's gonna be happen in the app that you will install on your smartphone. So perhaps you already know this app here from the setup of your Quest 2. And you're gonna go to the lower right corner and there it says menu, and here is everything about your account, and you will go to settings here, and the second thing here is payment methods. You are already here, and then you can see your already set up payment methods. Like for me, this is a PayPal account, and here you can add another PayPal account if you like. That's here, so you can just log in to PayPal or add a credit card, and then you add your stuff here, and that's it. Then you can change your you can also remove your current payment method and put a new one or select a new one, and that's how you do that. That's so easy. So guys, if you want to see more VR gameplay content, hardware reviews, augmented reality or tutorials, then make sure to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and see you next time in virtual reality. See ya!
VoodooDE.